like the photometry. Actually, I was talking to one of your colleagues about it. We had a lecture yesterday about it, like just theory related to it. So it was really nice to be able to see it in application. I didn't have the chance to actually try it, but it was really nice like seeing my co-resident tried it. And I really like the concept that you can actually do just one-step procedure afterwards. So I would say having this as one of your workshop was really like nice to be able to see it.
So probably getting exposure to the photogrammetry. Obviously in a school setting we don't have access to all of the digital instruments, and so just having a look at that and how that works was great exposure.
This is my second time, and then my favorite is always when I'm here, I learn all the time new things. That's my favorite thing, learning new things, and then it happens always here. Thank you. I like the smile design and then also the flipper design. I think we are going to start to implement the flipper and smile design soon.
All these small tips that improves the scans and easier protocols for clinical practice, right? How to use DGShape in a very simple way, and all these new features, I think I enjoy that can be used clinically immediately on Monday, right? I think practicing with the photogrammetry, which I've never used before, I enjoyed that as well.
The understanding of knowledge from lab techs who have a good insight into how digital works, understanding how the programs work and how it can be very fluid to take what we used to do in an analog way and make it into a digital way. I already have the Trios 5. I think that's an exceptional tool. I think the iCAM is an interesting tool. I'm not sure it will hang around for a lot longer because of its price. Unless the price comes down, then I think it will be very, very versatile, but at the moment, not so much. Also, it needs a lot of backup with regard to the technology to use it and how it is used, whereas an intraoral scanner is becoming more universal, and so more people are using the intraoral scanners.